What if I told you there's a powerful AI model that can generate stunning 1080p cinematic videos in seconds? It features advanced AI face generation, realistic lip sync, and incredibly smooth motion, perfect for high-action scenes. This tool is changing how creators make videos, making filmmaking faster than ever. Before we start, let me show you one more example using the prompt you see on the screen and the result I got from it. Now let's start. First, open your browser and search for ChatArt Pro. Click on the official website from the search results. Then, make sure you select the genuine official page where you can try it for free before purchasing. For your convenience, the link is also in the description. Here I select the Seedance 2.0. After logging in, you will see your available credits on the dashboard, which you can use to start creating or testing the features. Here, I select the Seedance 2.0 model for high-quality output. You can see two options, all-in-one reference or first-last frame option. I choose the all-in-one reference, upload the reference images, and then add the prompt. After that, I adjust the video quality, duration, and size according to my needs. Finally, I click on Generate. After waiting for 2-3 minutes, the result appears. As you can see, the output is very realistic and high quality. Here, I show you one more example. I have already uploaded the image, added the prompt, and set the remaining requirements. Now, just click on Generate and wait a few minutes for the result. You can also create a lip sync video by simply writing your prompt in the form of dialogue. Adjust the settings as needed, then click on Generate. After a short wait, your result will be ready.
If this cafe suddenly caught fire, who would you save first?
The coffee.
Seriously, not me?
Relax. I need the coffee to stay awake while saving you.
Wow, that's your logic?
Priorities. First coffee, then hero mode.
Let me show you one more example. The prompt I used and the result I got. If we talk about their monthly, yearly, or lifetime plans, they're actually not very expensive when you look at the kind of high-quality output they deliver. So that's the showdown. Seedance 2.0 clearly stands out, delivering more realistic visuals and high-quality output. If you want cinematic results with minimal effort, this is the model to go for. Give it a try using the free trial. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.